Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Firebird Institute of Research and Management, which provides the best PGDM and international MBA courses in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. And in this video, we are going to see the 45 days preparation strategy based on May MAT 2023. Now, as you all know, the MAT examination consists of 5 topics: mathematical skills, language comprehension, data analysis and sufficiency, intelligence and critical reasoning, Indian and global environment. From each section, 40 questions will be asked. In total, 200 questions will be asked in the MAT examination question paper. You need to attend 200 questions in 150 minutes, and note it here that you don't have any sectional timing. You can attend all the 200 questions in 150 minutes. And the marking scheme, for each question you will get 1 mark, and for 200 questions 200 marks in total. And the MAT exam is conducted in 3 different modes: paper-based test, computer-based test, and internet-based test. The test date for May MAT examination is already announced, and for paper-based test 1 schedule, the last date for PBT online registration is on 16th May, and you can download your admit card from 18th May, and the test date is on 21st May. And in case of computer-based test, the last date to apply is 9th May, and you can download your admit card from 11th May, and CBT test date is on 14th May. Paper-based test 2 second schedule. Last date is to apply for this paper-based test 2 is on 23rd May. You can download your admit card from 25th May. The exam falls on 28th May. And CBT 2 schedule. Last date for application is 38th May. And you can download your admit card from 1st June. And the test date is on 4th June. IBT, there are 4 IBTs. They have released the dates. IBT 1 is on 7th March. The last date is to 7th May, not March, sorry. 7th May. The last date is to apply is on 4th May. And you can download your admit card from 5th May. The exam test date falls on 7th May. IBT test 2 schedule, 10th May is the last date to apply. And you can download your admit card from 11th May. The test date is on 13th May. IBT test 3 schedule, 17th May is the last day to apply. You can download your admit card from 18th May, and 20th May is your test date. IBT test 4 schedules. The last date to apply is on 24th May. You can download your admit card from 25th May, and the test date is on 27th May. And as you all know, MAT 2023 question paper consists of 5 topics. The first and main topic is mathematical skills, from which you are going to get 40 questions. And see, these are the proposed number of questions you can expect from each topic. And let me give you the topic details which you have to cover. Percentage, allegations and mixture, trigonometry, ratio, permutation and combination, mensuration, time, speed and distance, time-based problems as well as boards and stream-based problems you have to look, and simple interest and compound interest, and pipes and cisterns, time and work also included, profit and loss, geometry, LCM, partnership, number system, regression, HCF and LCM. So these are a wide range of topics you should cover for mathematical skills. To develop your mathematical skills, just be thorough with the basic concepts of past multiplication, finding out the square values up to 1 to 100, and basic divisibility rules. The next is percentage to fraction conversion as well as fraction to percentage conversion. Be thorough with these basic topics, and the next phase is your data analysis and sufficiency. To crack this data analysis and sufficiency, you should be thorough with the concepts like past multiplication, past addition, ratio proportion, partnership, percentage conversion, and profit and loss concept. Okay. The data analysis can be in tabular form, bar graph, line graph, pie chart, statement type, caselet, and comparison type. Okay, so to crack data analysis part, you should be thorough with the basic concepts like past multiplication and addition, percentage to fraction conversion, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, and sometimes they may also ask you questions based on time, speed, and distance, time and work based data analysis type. So be thorough with the basic concepts in mathematical skills to score more in data analysis and sufficiency part. And coming to language comprehension, definitely they'll give you 2 reading comprehension, and other topics are idioms and phrase, meaning, that is antonyms, synonyms, logical paragraph, fill in the blanks, error spotting, and then the best way of writing substitution. These are the different types of questions that will be asked in the language comprehension part. And the best tips to crack language comprehension part is try to practice 2 to 4 reading comprehension daily and note down the vocabulary and its meaning, and get thorough with the basic concepts of grammar like tenses, articles, prepositions, direct indirect speech, active voice and passive voice, and types of sentence. If you are thorough with these basic concepts, you can easily crack the grammar part in the language comprehension type. And also, very importantly, practice 2 to 4 reading comprehension daily and pick out the hard words from that reading comprehension and try to find out its meaning with its application. And coming to intelligence and critical reasoning part, the important topics are blood relation, number series, coding and decoding, distance and direction, puzzle, assertion reasoning, blood relation, coding type. So be thorough with blood relation, all the types in blood relation, statement, puzzle type questions. I hope you all got some ideas regarding the upcoming May Mat 2023, and most of the students they will ask like whether we need to attend the last part, that is 5th part, Indian and Global Environment. Yes, try to attend the sessions, even though the marks are not included while calculating your percentile, but you have to attend Indian and Global Environment. So try to attempt Indian and Global Environment at the end. First, when you start your MAT exam, first try to complete language comprehension part, intelligence and critical reasoning part in first 1 hour, and remaining 1 hour 20 minutes you please keep it for mathematical skills, data analysis and sufficiency, and allot 10 minutes for Indian and Global Environment questions to answer. This is the strategy you have to follow while taking your exam, and definitely we will give you more tips and tricks to score 550 plus in the upcoming May Mat exams. All the best, students. Those who want to join 45 days online crash course for the upcoming May Mat 2023, you can contact 88700468080. The admissions for May Mat 2023 is open, and the course features are you are going to get experienced faculty, well-designed syllabus, and complete shortcuts. And those who want to score 550 plus in the upcoming May Mat exam, don't forget to join this course at an affordable fee. I have provided the registration link for this May Mat 2023 in the description box. All the best, students.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.